going down under with the Australian pink clay mask here. I'm gonna product review it and see how it's gonna go. Sorry if it was a horrible impersonation. I'm gonna try out this mask here. I'm gonna show you guys live on camera here what it looks like, how it feels. I'm gonna wash my face first because that's what it instructs you to do. Yeah, we're just gonna see what it's like and what it does, and if I feel like a new woman after this mask. I'm only gonna apply it one time per this week just because I have more dry skin, and it says if you have drier skin, only 1 to 2 times per week is needed. I'm actually going to update you guys in about a week or 2 after using this and tell you if I feel any difference as well. All right, let's get into the video. I am back. Washed my face and ready to go. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a little, you could totally use this as like a little highlight brush or something. You know, if worse came to worse. Cool. Okay, so we get some directions. Nice. Okay, love that. Different languages. Cool. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh boy, I hope this ain't gonna be messy. Ooh, okay. So there's a lot on the lid, so I think I'm gonna go with what's on the lid first, since it's quite a lot. Okay, this is easier than I thought. It's just like painting my face. Ooh, this smells good. This smells really good. I'm not gonna go too close to the eye area just because usually with masks it's not recommended. But this makes the application so easy though. It's great. So that's done. It says to set a timer for 10 minutes. Actually, just gonna put a little bit more here. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now. By the way, I can send a notification to your phone if you don't hear your timer right away. Would you like me to do that?
No!
If you change your mind, you can enable this.
I said no!
Boo!
As you can see, it dries white after about 10 minutes, and it's sucking all of the pores out of my skin, hopefully. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go rinse this off and then let you guys know how I feel afterwards. This is my face right after washing it. I think it feels very purified and clean. I think you guys should definitely buy it and try it out for yourself. I am going to update my skin in about a couple weeks. I'm going to do a Juvia's Place review video with a culture palette and a couple products as well. So in that video, I will kind of update on what I think it did to my face, if it did anything to my face at all. We will see then. But other than that, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on those post notifications so that you know that every time I post in, like, why would you want to know? So guys, please stay cute, stay you, stay beautiful, and we'll see you next time.